In this video we're going to look at how to solve a quadratic using the completing the squared method. In order to do that, what we need to do is get a perfect square on the left hand side of the equals and a constant number on the right hand side. So at the moment we don't have a perfect square. In order to make this into a perfect square, what you do is you look at the x term coefficient and you halve that and then square the result. So in this case the x coefficient is 10, so 10 halved is 5 and the square of 5 is 25. So what I need to do is I need to add 25 on the right hand side, on the left hand side should I say, to turn that into a perfect square. Of course we can't just add 25 to the left hand side without balancing up by doing the same thing on the right hand side. So I need to add 25 to the right hand side as well. So now I have my perfect square. X squared plus 10x plus 25 is a perfect square. To factorize that, again, the magic number is the coefficient of the x term halved. So half of 10 is 5, so that perfect square factorized is x plus 5 all squared. On the right hand side we have 1 plus 25, which is 26. Now in order to solve the equation from here, what we do is we need to get rid of the squared. We need to take the square root of both sides to get rid of these brackets. So when we take the square root of both sides, we're left with x plus 5 over here, and on the other side we've got the square root of 26. Of course, remembering though, when we take the square root of both sides, that could be plus the square root of 26 or minus the square root of 26. Okay, so we're almost there. Just to get x all by itself and to have solved the equation, we have to then minus 5 from both sides, so we end up with x equals minus 5 plus or minus the square root of 26. So there are our two answers. X could be minus 5 plus root 26 or minus 5 minus root 26.